Good evening, guys. Well, she lost in court today. Did she even show anything? Don't think so. Did she get a chance to play her videos on her floppy disk? No, don't think so. So she's not allowed to discuss anything that has to do with the kids? No grifting, no nothing. Okay? So, and I'm pretty sure it goes for Andy as well. So, should be no more rants about fucking Andy. And, just leave him alone, Lori. Find other shit to talk about. So, she's always talking about someone pulling up. Pull up. She didn't have shit to say today. So, let's get into it.
Oh, yeah. To the ones that didn't get to see. So there is a bed, but they don't have a mattress. So they were sleeping on it. So I just blow it up wherever the fuck I want when I want a nap and blah blah. Because you know. Yeah, no. I got things I have to do, And that's that. They put a lot on here. And it's okay. And now it's messing with my knee. I'm trying to teach Leia not to pull. So people are looking at me like, yeah, she cannot pull. You can't, right? You can't pull. Oh. Prayers to Casper's son, man. He had surgery today, man. Oh, poor boy. That would not be happening. Damn. It's like an olive sandwich. I gotta teach her. Because you waiting for something to fall, aren't you, Buki? I know you are. Damn, blink, girl, blink. It's okay. Hold up. I know that is not a piece of hair on a chip. Oh, you can't even. It ain't mine. I'm gonna get a DNA test done on that. And we need to put the back on there. We need to figure out who that is. Because that's not proper. Hi. Damn, now it's got me checking every chip. Excuse me. Was not me, was my food. No more chips, Leia. For you. I just found a short piece of hair. Yeah, so I'm not taking a chance of you, getting, well, it's just hair, but it's the point that on that, though. I need to find out if 98.9% if that is Trump's piece of hair that's on there. Yeah, I'm not. I didn't eat the chip, but I'm gonna eat the rest of the chips.
Oh, come on. She has eaten worse. Come on. You know it's her hair or the dog's.
Yes, absolutely. I'm wasting on white. Absolutely could not be any better. Oh. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. I'm sorry to hear that. Uh, yeah, oh, girl, I know. I know, baby. I'm telling you, I know. Amen. 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 Okay. And just know, um, well, I get Monday through Friday, I'm like constantly busy. I don't stop. So it's Friday, and absolutely, baby. Um, oh, shine bright like a diamond. No, Leah. Look, I'm having a hard time finishing a 6-inch, so, yeah, what are we gonna do here? Oh! Back away from the food. $20 million, baby.
So, Lori, you purchased those nails with what? A gift card? Did someone send you a gift card to buy stuff for certain reasons, or were you given a gift card from somewhere to go buy certain things for certain reasons and you bought yourself stuff? Strange. Well, I would just love to know, since you went to the courthouse today and didn't pay the filing fee again, did you happen to drop that stuff off or give it to Andy? That, the pajamas and stuff? Did you, so it could get to who it was meant to be for? Oh, that's right. You wore a pair last night. I forgot. Yeah, you put on a pair of those pajamas last night, didn't you? Yeah.
It's 6-inch, yeah, look, and that's how much I have left. I don't think I can, though, to be honest. I don't think I can finish it. We're gonna try. I even added bacon to it. You know, you gotta have bacon in your life. You're being dirty. Oh, I'm telling. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding, sweetheart. It is acting up, ain't it? It's that fucking TikTok shop Wi-Fi. I didn't pay the bill. That's all. I'm really trying to finish this, you guys, because you need protein. My boy, Darren, boy, you. Look, look, get it, Darren. Oh. Hey! Darren's doing real fucking good, bro. Real good. Get it, Darren! Hey! No matter what nobody does in their life, and nobody can say they aren't getting none of my hairy chips. Not today. What if that was your hair? No, it was not. Well, maybe it was. Maybe it flew in the bag. I don't know. But, this chip had a piece of hair on it. And this bat. And it was a little. So I gotta get a DNA test done on that. And find out who the father is to that chip. Because they left a piece of hair. Stop, Leia, bro! Alright. Oh. Here you go, Pride. And she took it from me, Pride. That's just nice. Alright. Well, they don't want a hairy chip. That's okay. Come on, boy. Finish, finish, finish. Just finish. No, Leia. Oh. And then we're going for a walk. Again.
Yeah, she's going to go take the dogs for a walk so she can go outside and smoke. Because, like I thought, she's not smoking in the house anymore. Why? Because she was never supposed to be doing it in the first place. Right, Lori?
Again. Absolutely again. And again and again and again. Because, look. Why do I sound like a man? Maybe because I am. Why do I sound like a man? Maybe because I am. Oh boy. I can't finish. There's no way. I tried, you guys. I cannot finish a 6-inch. I can't. I'm gonna tell you something. I'm gonna be real, and I hope she's watching. I'm not gonna say her name though. I want to forgive you so bad, girl. I want to forgive you so bad. So bad, so bad. I feel you do care. I feel you do. I definitely feel you do. I definitely feel you do. Or, I don't know. Who knows? But anyway, yeah. I always stick to actions speak loud, you know, so zip the lip and just actions. Well, there's some people, you know, actions speak loud, but they just want to go with. Or did you mean my cousin? Is that what you meant? Guilty. You mad? Yeah, that was an addiction, but that wasn't a son. That was a cousin. Second cousin at that. Yeah. So, make sure your math is mathing. Because you're way off. Way off. By a million yards. Leia, you really like barbecue chips. She really does, but she ain't get. Oh. Yeah, you thought that was gonna fall on the floor, didn't you? Yeah, look at her, look at her. Oh. All eyes on me. Oh, she don't like y'all. Alright, get back up there, I'm sorry.
See the blow-up mattress in the floor? Dogs all over it and shit. She did not have one before. Okay, when she claimed she was blowing one up and deflating it, no. No, she's went and bought that little twin one. Okay. And why? Why is that? That she's got to have a blow-up mattress and her regular mattress is put up and got rid of the other mattress that they had and everything's packed up and taken up. Why is that? Oh, yeah, that's right. Bed bugs. That's what it was. Yep. But she'll never admit to it. I mean, why can't she just admit to stuff, tell the truth, like grown people know how to do? Nope. She's got to lie about everything. And what, she doesn't lie about, then she makes up lies for the rest of the shit. And just tells lies. Just to fucking tell them.
Get back up there. Oh, okay, never mind. It wasn't you guys. She thought I dropped food. Alright. No, ma'am. Where?
What she really should be doing is trying to save some fucking money out of her check, okay? Because what is going to happen when the landlord doesn't decide to renew her lease in November? So we're in August 1st, then she's got September. That's it. That's all. November, if that landlord doesn't decide to renew her lease, where's she going? Where's she gonna go? And it ain't no getting a $660 deposit back, because that's ding ding, because she's fucked that apartment up. So where's she gonna go if the landlord don't renew the lease? Now she could, but what if she don't?
Or not gonna do this today. Damn it. I love these chips with peanut butter and jelly. I like peanut butter and jelly, you guys. Peanut butter and jelly is good. Too bad Subway doesn't sell peanut butter and jelly. What? Oh, that's alright. But damn, we need peanut butter and jelly too. Yeah. Oh, we go. Don't tell them, please. Do not tell the world of TikTok that we are here. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Bad boys. What you gonna do? You straight whining for a fucking chip, bro. No whining. Come on now, Leia.
All that salt and seasoning that's on those chips. Have you guys noticed how many fucking chips she has given that dog since she's been sitting there? The other night she gave them mashed potatoes and gravy from KFC, egg rolls. I mean, it just, the list just goes on and on. Chicken quesadilla, tortilla, all kind of shit. I mean, wow.
I swear she really thinks she's a human. She thinks she's like the baby. She is a baby, but yeah, no. And you're wagging your tail too. Yeah, no, girl, your butt getting too big. No, nope. Go eat your cat or your dog. Go eat your dog food, please. All right, Leia. Okay. Look at Pride. Pride, I love you. I freaking love you, girl. I love you, baby. Well, you blocked me. What do I gotta do? You're the one that tapped in here. You could have... Okay. Why can't you use your finger to block me, though? I didn't tap into your live. You tapped into mine and wrote all that right there. So when it could have took 2 seconds just to block. But no, you took about 3 to 4 minutes just to write that. I don't know. Look it up. Look it up. Look it up. Yeah. I will. Hey. Do you feel a bit bad for not minding your business? Yeah. Oh, well, I am. Oh. Yes, sir. Remember, it's public records. So, that's all you gotta do. What's hard about it?
Lori. Hey, Lori. It's remember, not member.
I mean, you do it any other time. You do it any other time. Yeah. Uh, mm, mm. Oh, wow. Okay. Um, I ain't got time to finish this sandwich, but I sure got time to finish this bag of chips. Make that make sense. Oh boy. I think it's all the meat. And then the bacon and the bread is filling my fupas up pretty bad. Um, Now what we're gonna do is, oh, oh, we devoured those. Alright, so, I do too, just to say, I think that what needs to happen is that, alright dogs, you ready? Alright, oh wait a minute, I gotta put my shoes on and stuff, so, this is Trailer Park Mountain Dew. Not wrong with a trailer or trailer park, but some strangers on an app called this Trailer Park Mountain Dew. But, okay, I don't see where that says it on the bottle, but it just says Mountain Dew. But, oh, yeah, we're about to pound this down real quick. Oh, okay. Oh, excuse me. Did do that. And guess what? This is where we're at now. Where Lori, um, I ain't so nice anymore, so sorry you missed a whole episode of a soap opera. I mean, it's still gradually going on here. Just please believe everything you hear. That's all I ask. Please, please, just do what needs done. That's all that I'm asking. I think I've been asking that, but nobody wants to fucking listen to me. But it's okay.
I'd love to know what the explanation she has given the mods, all the followers that stick by her and DoorDasher. You know, Monday, Andy was going down, right? Okay. She was going to talk to her worker and about having company. He was going to fuck down, right? Okay. That didn't happen. She never spoke on it no more, right? Okay. Then brings us to today. She lost. Okay. Order granted. For 2 years. Can't speak on none of them. Okay? What on earth would she say happened? TikTok people came up in the courtroom and told the judge a bunch of lies and she lost. But she had that floppy disk with all this information on it and videos and all that she was going to show. Guess it didn't work out too well for you, did it, Lori? Right? Pumped herself up all week about, she couldn't wait. Wow. So when will these fucking mods... I can't really blame it on the followers because a lot of them are probably new and don't really know what's going on. But these ones that have been there a while and the mods that are left because she doesn't have hardly any left anymore, when will they wake the fuck up and see that it's not... I mean, how could thousands of people see the light? But Lori is delusional as fuck and you believe her. I don't understand it. Never will.
I'm doing good. Damn. Yeah. My soda is worth $1.99. That's what it was. It was $1.99. Well, and tax. I needed taxes. They're playing in the road with the. Yes, better days, better days. Well, today's a good day. Every day's a good day. Absolutely is. It's a blessing from the man above. Leia's watching the kids outside. That's right. You protect them kids out there. That's right. You protect them. No matter what kids they are, you protect. You get them. You get them. Leia, that means get them. That doesn't mean jump, play, lick. It means get them. Good afternoon, medicating me. Alright. Go get my shoes, Leia. Where are my shoes? Oh, great. Oh. Oh, yes, sir. Go get my shoes, bro. Go get them. Medicaid meaning, you know better. Oh. Oh. Sorry, I didn't mean to drop
So I'll take it that was the chip with the hair on it.
it. She helped herself. You little sneak. That's why she wanted up here. Was just to get that chip. She's coming right back up. What? You can't touch this sandwich or the bag of chips. It's too far away. And I'm not moving it closer so you can. So, you wag that tail all you want with your little booty, rocking everywhere. Booty, oh. Yeah, it's okay. You just, oh, yeah, was that chip good? Damn, licking them lips like it's 1999. Alright, lick them lips, girl, lick them. Get that barbecue stuff off the... I love you. You are like... Oh, here's a baby. I see you wagging your tail. Price. Ow, that's my toe. Come here, rock my baby on your tree trunk. Look at you trying. Look at you trying. Is that your... Damn, that was a long scratch. Oh, girl, you breaking your neck. No, you cannot have that. Stop, please. You can't have that. You're gonna hurt your neck. You can't do that, baby. Oh, get your neck. Oh, whoa. No, that's Mountain Dew, and you're not licking that. She's really trying. Okay, He truly is. He truly freaking is, bro. Seems too good to be true. Here's a piece of crumb chip. Hey, what's this? Look, Leia. What's that? No, right here. Look, you're going nuts. It's right here on my leg. Right here. Leia. There you go. Yeah, you got it. Holy crap. He spoils me. He spoils me. You know, he reminds me of my dad's, which would be Vinny and Steve, and they treated my mom like gold, and boy, oh boy. Yeah, and he respects boundaries. He hasn't violated any boundary at all. At all. In any way, shape, or form. Kiss, that's it. Hey!
Who cares? But I'm sure she's only saying this because, Andy has a friend. Usually she wouldn't be talking about all this shit. She's gone days without even mentioning Casper. Oh, now he treats her like gold. What a gentleman. Oh, Lord, yes.
Alright, my cats want me. Are you a cat? Meow! Meow! Whoa, okay, we're going. Wanna go outside? You can go outside. You falling. No, that's paperwork. Get off of that. Oh! I didn't see her. See who? I did not see her. I'm looking for my shoes, Leia. Oh, you guys, we got a problem. I think somewhere. All right, you guys, later. Hey, oh, love, damn it. Where the freak, man? Watch out, Leia. Move, come here. Leia, move, come on. Come here. The longer you sit on that bed, it's gonna fucking take forever. Come here so I can... Come here.
The apartment is only so big, okay? Little teeny tiny apartment. Everything is basically packed up. How has she lost her shoes?
Down. Leia, get down. I need to move this air mattress because why? This is why, right? Ow. Ooh, ow. Alright. This is why. See, this is why. No, get up, get up, get up, get up. Oh, get up. Leia. Now I gotta move it back. Good girl, thank you. There you go. She probably depleted. But it's alright, we did. We're not. Alright, TikTok, I'm sorry. I gotta get my shoes on real quick. Because I'm about to put... I've been good, baby. I've been good. I've been good. I've been good, honey. I've been good. Alright, you guys. Later. Have a good night. We're going, Leia. Let me get my shoes on.
Alright, guys. Have a good night. Stay safe. We'll meet again on the next one.
We're going,